Yes, it's another episode of Bar Hoppers. Right now we're in SS Area Road in Penal, and we're about to showcase Time Out Sports Bar and Grill. So let's take a little walk inside and show what it is they have in store. All for you on another episode of Bar Hoppers by Gen TV, #1. So inside of Time Out Sports Bar, right now we're here with one of the proprietors who's going to give us a little insight on what it is they have in store for you. So to start with, exactly where are you guys located?
Alright, we're located almost on the main road when they enter into Penal and Bacha area, just after the mosque and Buddha's funeral home. So exactly 1295 SS area road is here for that.
Okay, what is your basic days and hours of operation?
Alright, for now we open more or less every day from 1 p.m. Well, we are sporting bars, so we cater for all sports fans and stuff.
Right.
Premiership and all the different leagues going to be starting back after the World Cup. So on game days, we're going to be open a little bit earlier. So on Saturdays, games start usually around 9 in the evening. Then there'll be the NBA basketball games as well, so in the evening times. But we have a nice crowd on Friday evening, Saturday evening after work. So if you're coming after work, we have a full kitchen, we have burgers, cutters menu, we have
I guess you'll try some of the cutters menu right here. Don't forget, follow them on Facebook today at Time Out Sports Bar as well as Instagram. And this is what the #1 entertainment spot in Penal. As you can see, there's their vibes, their entertainment, all sports fans that come down after work climbers, all of the weekends as well too. Even our specials going on cutters. Sometimes you can even get it free. The best thing is, so TNT at Time Out Sports Bar, we provide you the biggest entertainment section, all for sporting lovers and after work climbers. Now you can come down every day, Sunday to Sunday, right? We open from 1 p.m. straight till last man standing. Or when the champion leagues and stuff start, we open from 9 in the morning. And we're doing this all for you, showcasing Time Out Sports Bar on another episode of Bar Hoppers by Gen TV, #1.